In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Shopify. Whether you're managing your own online store or helping someone streamline their product images, knowing how to do this efficiently is a valuable skill. Let's walk you through this step by step so you can easily download the images you need from Shopify. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin site. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look towards your left sidebar. You'll see various options that help you manage your store. Click on Products. It's right there on the sidebar, making it pretty easy to locate. By clicking this, you'll access a list of all your products currently listed in your Shopify store. Next, let's narrow it down. You need to select the specific product from which you want to download images. Scroll through your product list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Once you've identified the product you're interested in, click on it. This action will open up the product detail page, giving you a full overview of all associated details of that particular item. As you land on the product detail page, cast your gaze to the media section. You'll typically find the section below the product title and description. The media section houses all images, videos, and any other multimedia related to the product. It's a visual gallery of sorts where you can see exactly what's being displayed on your storefront. Now it's time to select the image you want to download. Navigate through the gallery in the media section, and once you've found the image you're interested in, click on it to bring it to full view. The benefit here is that you can see the image in its entirety before deciding if that's indeed the image you want to download. Having ensured you've got the right image selected, it's time to perform the download. In the top right corner of the image preview, there should be an option to download. Simply click on Download. Depending on your web browser settings, the image will either automatically be saved to your default download folder, or you'll be prompted to choose a location to save your file. Make sure it's saved somewhere easy for you to find later, like your desktop or a specific Shopify images folder for organization's sake. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded an image from your Shopify store. Remember, having your product images readily available can help you with various marketing strategies, updates to your storefront, or even to ensure you keep backups just in case. Keep exploring and understanding how each tool in Shopify can ease your e-commerce journey. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.